So cable traded higher despite the UK political chaos and despite Trump postponing today's attack on Iran. It's Tuesday the 19th, I'm FxPlew and this is the market brief. UK unemployment held at 4.9% and wage inflation, including bonuses, was 3.8%. That was the first time total pay growth broke below 4% since 2020. So on paper, not too bad. In practice though, CPI inflation was 3.3% in March and April's number is expected to print well above that, so real wage growth will likely go negative again soon. Indeed, some think we'll see CPI over 4% when the data drops tomorrow, and that will allow Hugh Pill to play the I told you so card with his colleagues when the MPC raise rates in June. Politically, Starmer is just about still standing. He hosted a Downing Street reception, pointing to the UK's fastest G7 growth as evidence that his plan is working. Points for trying with the optics, but it's all a bit awkward given the bond market backdrop and all the leadership noise. 92 Labour MPs have now called for him to go, while over 100 have signed the counter statement of support. The key question remains whether Streeting or Rayner actually have the numbers necessary to mount a challenge. But regardless, it's all about Andy Burnham at the moment. The spotlight is firmly on the Mayor of Manchester, and the pressure is on too for that matter, because he simply must win the Makerfield by-election or he's out of the leadership race. Simple as that. And we do know that Farage will be throwing the full weight of reform at the contest. Assuming he gets the win, he will also need to unite a deeply divided party. Good luck, Andy Pandy. Over in the US, Walsh begun his 4-year term as Fed chair yesterday. His starter for 10 was to say the Fed talks too much. He wants fewer press conferences, less forward guidance, and a new communication framework. For the time being, markets have fully priced out any rate cut this year, and they are pricing in a growing chance of a rate hike by year end. But markets that can't read the Fed tend to speculate wildly, and this would not be an improvement. Unless, of course, it's all part of the plan for Team Trump, looking to profit from front-running the Fed decisions next. Who knows? In the market, the dollar fell when Trump cancelled the attack on Iran, and the dollar index closed just below the 99 level. Sterling kicks off this morning just over 134 against the dollar. We are fairly flat against the euro, around 115.15, and euro dollar is around 116.40 on the open this morning. So that's it from me. I'll be back tomorrow.
If you do not have a clue, then just tweet through and ask FxPlew.